Hello learners, happy learning. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see enhancing the knowledge on research methodology for social sciences. It's a series of videos. Now we are going to see the part 1. What is research? The word research is derived from the French word search. Its meaning is to seek or search. One will seek exhaustively for 3 reasons. One is for more explanations. Number 2 is for verifying the truth. And third one is to make discoveries. For these 3 reasons, anyone seek or search for the truth. What is research? Research means finding answer to the questions through the research. New and original information or idea about we live in around or obtain. Research for the knowledge. Research is defined as a systematic and a scientific search for the information on a specific topic. Research is an organized and systematic way of finding answer to the questions. Organized, it means the structure or the method in going about the research. It is a planned procedure, not a spontaneous one. It is focused on limited to specific scope. Systematic, it means there is a definite set of procedure and steps which you will follow for the research. There are certain things in the research process which are always done in order to get the most accurate result. Finding answer. The research is successful when we find the answer. Sometimes the answer is no, but it is still an answer. Question. Research is focused on relevant, useful and important questions. Without question, research has no focus, drive or purpose. What is research? Research is a systematic because it follows certain steps that are logical in order. These steps are: number 1 is understanding the nature of the problem to be studied and identify the related area of knowledge. Number 2, review the literature to understand how others have approached or dealt with the problem. Third one is the collecting data in an organized and controlled environment or controlled manner so as to arrive at a valid decision. Fourth one is analyzing the data using appropriate statistical technique to the problem you have chosen. And finally, draw a conclusion and make the conclusion for generalization. Research, it refers to a search for the knowledge. Research is an original contribution to the existing stock of knowledge, making for its advancement. Research is a serious academic activity with a set of objectives to explain or analyze or understand a problem or finding solutions for your problems. Adopting a systematic approach in data collection, organizing your research work and analyzing the information relating to the problem by using the appropriate statistical tools. P.V. Young defined research a method of studying, analyzing and conceptualizing the social life in order to extend, modify, correct or verify the knowledge, whether that knowledge aids in construction of a theory or in practice of an art. Redmond and Murray, they defined research as systemized effort to gain a new knowledge. It means organized scientific investigation to solve the problem, to test the hypothesis, develop or invent a new product. Webster Collegiate Dictionary defines research as studious inquiry or examination, investigation or experimentation aimed at the discovery and interpretation of facts, revision of accepted theories or laws in the light of new fact or practical application of such a new or revised theory of or laws. The above definitions implies that anyone can understand research activity, but it should always have specific objectives to determine the direction. Based on this, necessary data or fact are to be collected, satisfying the requirements of survey methodology. Mere presentation of data in graph and diagrams would not help in understanding the relationship among various facts. Hence, research also involves identification of suitable methods of analysis. Once the results of the analysis are obtained, they are to be interpreted in an intelligent manner, avoiding subjectivism or bias, thereby bringing out the originality of the researcher. So, researcher should aid in understanding the problem and offering a solution for the problem. While solution for the individual problem cannot be found out because of their heterogeneity. Solution for the problem of a group of human beings could be attempted with some homogeneity of members in a group. It would be relatively easier to analyze and offer solution for the problem of the group. Again, this solution may or may not be applicable to all the members in a group. It is also an established fact that what is true of individual need not be true of a society, but what is true of a society may be true and applicable to the majority of individuals. Hence, while formulating policy for social problem, researchers always focus on group problem than individual problem. For example, instead of conducting research on unemployment of one individual, it is worthwhile to explore the reason for unemployment of a group of individuals. This approach to the social problem is a crux of social research.